principles and science behind Radionics Infusion. Radionics is based on unique electromagnetic frequencies emitted by all natural things. These frequencies reflect the health and well-being of the organism. Radionics is a form of vibrational medicine. Radionics detect, measure, and transmit these frequencies. It enhances wellness and balance by harnessing these energetic frequencies, which encourages the body to heal itself by manipulating these energy fields. This healing can be performed at a distance. Radionics can also infuse these frequencies into natural objects such as ordinary beach stones, where these corrective frequencies are sent to the user with physical contact for a greater effect. Because it views the body as an interconnected energy system and therefore creates a bonding of wellness that empowers you to harness its full potential for enhancing well-being, which invites positive transformations into your life through the scientific art of radionics healing.